Prosecutor on this one. On this,
This was the Jacob.
because it was Ms. Staub and then she's no longer.
We're in the middle. So.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad.
No, you
don't know
you're
who
second.
we're
I just
talking
finished. Little Olson. On the, where are we on? What's the state's position on this?
I let defense counsel know the offer today. And so it's my understanding that he needs to request discovery still.
Okay, it's.
It's old.
I don't know, it's old, and I'm just gonna put it on the trial docket and let's see where it goes, okay?
Okay.
And y'all get ready.
We'll figure it out, Earl. We'll get to the bottom of this. And I'll work diligently.
Yeah, 2 years, it's over 2 years old, and it's kind of bounced around, but
Well,
I understand why. But at that, with that length of time, we're gonna just throw it on the trial docket, but
we're under that.
but I'm at 600 jury trials right now, so can only try one at a time. And we've got 2 more before Christmas that we're trying, and then
I assume we would not.
we won't be done
preferentially
before
set.
Christmas.
Right.
I guarantee you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Who's up?
Judge on
I forgot about
This man?
Kane.
That's up.
No, sir, Kane is in the back.
Okay.
We,
Who's your lawyer?
Langston.
Where's Langston? That's what we need.
That's not Christopher. Christopher's in the back. Christopher Kane is in the back.
No, I'm glad you reminded me on that.
I saw him and remembered. Yeah, that's about terrible.
Adrian Jacob,
Mr. Jacob.
Yes,
2 cases.
Judge, we're going to be asking for a short reset on Kane. I've discussed an agreement with defense counsel and they're on board with it, but I do want to speak with the victim's mom before we set it in stone here before the court.
Okay, on Jacob, these are MTRPs.
I believe those are Mr. Boyd's.
Yeah. It looks like MTRP in each case. Well, that shouldn't be much of an issue. That's for me to decide. Let me do it. Y'all can't get an agreement.
They're working on it, Jeff.
He's been working on it a while.
If we use air quotes.
Okay. Okay.
That's really important.
Your Honor, pleasure. Thank you.
You got everything done?
I did hear.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Daniel, do y'all have an agreement on?
I think we will shortly, yes,
On what?
Jacobs,
Mr.
Jacob, right?
Well, it's an MTRP. Y'all gotta, there shouldn't be, if y'all can't figure it out, I will. I'll do it.
Right, it's an announcement, but it's, I think we,
Yeah, these things, but it, you know, it was filed in September. Yeah. And
Penny on Kane. It doesn't even, do we have something next week? Yeah, next week is fine. It doesn't have to be in Monday's.
On this fire, he's still 8 years, right? All right, I don't know if you asked me what you did probation. I said, I know.
so, hey, so on Jacob, Adrian,
He's ready. He's gonna plead today. We come with that today.
that one, what else do we have? I've got Latanya Bryant.
Okay. Yeah, that's
3, that's 3 cases.
yes, sir.
What are we doing on all those?
She's in the back right now, and I talked to
In the back.
she's saying no to the 8 years.
Well, they all say no to 8 years. I wouldn't say yes to 8 years, but that doesn't mean it's not the right thing to do,
But we did have another case to plead.
here's
too.
the, okay, all right, well.
I signed Kane up, but just need approval, right?
Stand on.
Say that again?
No, I'm telling, he's asking me what we have. I told him we signed Kane up, just need approval, and if we get approval, it'd be good.
Yes, Ellie, are you available next Friday to come back? She said she already did the job.
Monday documents are already done.
All right, on
Do the following then, because next Friday, we
Oh,
get
you're
out of
on
town.
11 and 12.
this,
Yeah, so do the next following Monday.
The 15th?
Yeah, Monday.
Okay.
That'd be perfect.
Okay,
Not Friday, Monday.
I forgot you're out.
on Bryant,
Yeah. Montgomery.
okay. Let's get.
That's right, he's right. That case gonna be moved today.
Latanya? No, I'm talking about Bryant. What are we
Oh,
doing?
on Brian, she's saying no,
Bring
so I
her
said just
out,
put her on the
let's get
trial.
her out so we can move that one aside and then you can take care of the others, okay? Thanks. Because
But now, what's his name is gonna be a plea. Kane is gonna be a plea, just not today.
why not today? Why not?
She has to get permission from her victim. I already did the paperwork, but once she gets.
Call her up.
I called Judge, I didn't get an answer. I sent her a text message, so I've been checking my phone,
Okay.
looking for a call. I haven't gotten one. I'll try one more time.
Once she says yes, well, it's already signed.
We'll try to
He
get-
signed.
We got so much going on before the holidays. We don't have time to push anything back. If we can get something done, let's get it done because it's good. It's going to get jammed together within the next 2 weeks. We're all
We already
sitting up here while everybody else is at home for Christmas. And we're up here at Christmas Eve.
Well, I know,
Come forward.
it's all signed up. It just wasn't on.
Are you Latanya Renee Bryan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have 3 cases. By the way, you're here and Mr. Adams is your turn.
Yeah.
There are 3 indictments here. And in well, put this in a sequence. It looks like a 25 CR 445 is the first one in sequence, and this that's odd. They're indictments on different days. First indictment, April of this year, you were charged with a 3rd-degree felony of collision involving injury. And it is a 3rd-degree felony, which carries with it up to 10 years in prison. But in this indictment, as well as all the other indictments, the other 2, the grand jury included in the indictments that you have prior convictions, 2 of them on 2000 and in 2009 out of the court next door, the 252nd District Court, for 1 for aggravated assault and 1 for delivery of a controlled substance. So if 1 or both of those were proven true, it moves or bumps up the charge. In this case, a 3rd-degree felony, it becomes a 2nd-degree felony. You're looking at up to 20 years in prison, and you are not eligible for probation in front of a jury. In 25 CR 885, this indictment handed up on July of this year alleges that you committed the 2nd-degree felony. God bless you. Of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on or about June 17th, 2025. And if convicted of this, it's a 2nd-degree felony, but which carries with it up to 20 years in prison. Okay, over there? And because of the prior convictions that are alleged, the same aggravated assault and delivery, if all of that was proven true, you were looking at life imprisonment if found guilty of that. Excuse me. Look at something here. God bless you. There's a third indictment, 25 CR 1110. Which was an indictment handed up by the grand jury a month after the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And it alleges that you committed the third-degree felony of evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle, and those prior convictions are also alleged. So if you're found guilty, it becomes prosecuted and punished as though it were a second-degree felony, up to 20 years in prison. Stand.
Excuse me.
Is it, you know,
Things very short, so the residents get. And to this thing, please, how many have experiences?
So those are the three cases, which is which equals in all of these to second-degree felonies of 20 years each, 40 plus first-degree felony punishment of up to life imprisonment. And what are bonds on these? But most importantly, what's the bond on the 885 and 1110? You know, they must be high. You're in custody. You hadn't been able to post a bond, and I think I know why.
30,000 plus no contact plus GPS remaining Jefferson County.
For what?
The 0885. I just saw it deadly weapons 30,000. You said the 1110.
Yes.
10,000 with standard.
Who said that bond?
I have to look at them.
Okay, it wasn't me.
No, sir. The JP in the time, who's ever out of the jail.
They must not have had any clue about
Each one.
this first case that had been indicted, because you posted a bond in this first case on, or a bond was set by the magistrate on April. Then looks like there was a hearing on in May of 25, where the defendant it says
It's a forfeiture.
she wouldn't cooperate with the magistrate. So she was indicted and posted, and a bond was set in May. The next month, it's alleged she commits aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. And then that on 6/18/25, they take up a bond hearing. And then on June, I guess she's released because in a week, she's committing a third offense of evading arrest or detention. She doesn't have a bond, does she?
The 445 is 16,000.
No, there is no bond. No, there, you don't have a bond. It is all revoked. You committed you committed an offense, post a bond. A few weeks later, you commit a second-degree felony of aggravated assault, according to this, and post a bond. A few weeks later after that, you commit a third crime of a second-degree felony. And you are too dangerous to the community, and you're obviously you're going to stubbornly refuse to follow any bond conditions, which include the first thing, don't commit a crime. So you're not getting out until we can try these cases. We're going to try the most serious one first, get this first-degree felony out of the way, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything, Dad?
Yeah.
That's the rulings of the court.
They don't go.
Get ready.
Everybody.
We're going to move this fast.
No.
All right, you have somebody,
He's moving.
let's go. Who is it, Chris?